In this video, I'm going to show you how to get LangSmith API key. So the first thing you have to do here inside LangSmith, you want to click at the very bottom left where it says settings, and it's going to open up the settings, and you want to click on API keys, which should be the third tab here on the left. When you click here, you'll be able to see all your API keys. Currently, I have none, so to create a new one, you want to click plus API key at the top right, and then you have to give it a description here. I'm just going to name it test key for this description over here, and then you want to set the key type, which could either be a personal access token or a service key, so that's completely up to you. And then you will have to select either a default workspace or of course a scope for service key in case you're using a service key. And then when you do that, you can also set the expiration date. You can set never, 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or custom. Okay, so when you've done that, click on create API key, and your API key is going to get created over here. Make sure you don't share it with anyone because this is a, of course, private API key. Just copy it for yourself by clicking this copy button up top, and then you can click on I've saved the API key to a safe place. Make sure you actually do save it because you can only see it once. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.